Did you know that the global online money-making market is projected to hit $500 billion this year alone? And the best part? Regular people like you and me are tapping into this massive opportunity every single day. If you've been looking for a real way to make money online fast, without the scams, stick around. We're diving into methods that actually work. Welcome back. Today, we're talking about something that everyone's interested in, making real money online, and doing it fast. We'll be cutting through the noise and focusing on strategies that can actually put cash in your account without months of waiting or complex setups. Let's get right into it. Now, let's face it. Trying to make money online can be tough, and that's partly because there's a lot of misinformation out there. A quick internet search will lead you to hundreds of get-rich-quick schemes, fake success stories, and sometimes downright scams. You've got gurus selling expensive courses, platforms that promise you'll make a fortune overnight, and websites that actually make you pay to work for them. And after all that, most people still end up empty-handed, discouraged, or worse, losing money instead of making it. That's why today, I'm focusing on methods that are tried, tested, and genuinely worth your time. You deserve real information, not fluff. So, if you're ready to put in a bit of effort and follow proven steps, there's money to be made, and I'm here to show you how. Alright, so let's jump into the methods. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have made it easier than ever to monetize any skill, whether it's graphic design, writing, video editing, or even simple tasks like data entry. And here's the beauty of freelancing. You can start right away, setting your rates and getting paid as soon as the job is done. Pro tip: if you're just starting out, begin with smaller projects to build up your profile and get those first few reviews. This can quickly lead to better paying gigs. Next, there's affiliate marketing. You don't need a huge social media following to get started. Just by joining programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, you can share product links on your social media, blog, or even in online communities. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. And some of these commissions are high, especially for digital products. Another quick start option is selling digital products. Digital products have a huge demand online because they're easy to deliver, and you don't need inventory. This could be an ebook, a printable planner, or even stock photos if you're into photography. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are great places to set up shop. With some initial effort, a digital product can provide passive income, selling while you're focusing on other things. And finally, let's talk about online surveys and market research. Now, you won't get rich doing surveys, but if you're looking for a quick way to earn a few extra dollars, reputable sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie are solid choices. They pay for each survey completed, and some surveys offer up to $50 depending on the length and topic. Now, out of all the methods, if you're looking to make money online fast with maximum impact, freelancing is the way to go. Why? Because freelancing allows you to capitalize on skills you already have or can learn quickly. There's also an immediate demand for freelancers across industries, from tech and design to writing and administrative work. Let's say you have basic writing skills, you can easily offer blog writing or copywriting services. Skilled in editing. There's a market for that too. The great thing about freelancing is you can see results fast. Often, you'll get paid as soon as you complete a project. And, unlike many other online gigs, the income potential in freelancing is virtually unlimited. As you build your reputation and portfolio, you can increase your rates, take on bigger projects, and even choose the clients you want to work with. For anyone willing to put in the work, freelancing can be a direct route to financial independence online. So, to wrap things up, making real money online fast is entirely possible when you know where to look. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and even quick gigs like surveys can all help you start making money today. Focus on methods that align with your skills, and avoid anything that seems too good to be true. Before you go, make sure to check out our video on the best passive income ideas for beginners. It's packed with more tips to boost your online earnings. And let us know in the comments which of these methods you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical money-making advice.